So,
what was I doing? Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to be talking about 5 likes and 3 dislikes of about my Audi. My friend's busy putting the Audi in. As you can see, very carefully, very gently. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy the video. So let's start with the look of the car. That's why the main reason why I bought the car and why I love the car so much. The headlights is smooth. It contours and it blends into the line of the car that goes all the way to the back. The aluminium chrome grille, also a big feature of the car, which also houses the adaptive cruise control. Which you guys can Google it yourself, and that's the second item that I like about this car. Literally drive itself. Then, like I said, the lines goes all the way to the back of the car, till the end, the other line. So it's like one unit. The other thing that I like about the car is the red calipers. That's a good option to do. The 19-inch rims, also another option. And then the chrome mirror, which is the distinctiveness of the S3, the S models. You won't get this in the normal A class, or what is this? An Audi.
an Audi.
Yes, it's the A class. Then you get the roof. You have to spec this car with the sunroof. This roof is not exactly a panoramic sunroof, but it's a very large cutout. But the nice thing is the surrounds are all black. So from the front, you get this black roof with a white car and the massive, aggressive grille, which is quite nice. Then you come to the back, you'll get the quad exhaust, 4 tips, 2 on each side. I like the 4 tips. The RS has 2 massive tips, but for me personally, I like the 4 tips. Then, because this is a sedan and not a hatchback or the sportback, you can get a nice lip like this. And I made my lip black, very subtle, not too big, and it just makes the whole car look elegant. The third thing that I like about the car is the boot space. For a sports sedan, this is actually very big. I've got all my gears here, and I actually had a pram, a baby pram, from one end to the other and fitted in nicely tight. That's amazing. So from the inside of the car, you can see it's typical Audi. It is beautiful, it's minimal, everything is exactly where it should be, and the build quality is amazing. You can't fault an Audi. The other main thing about the A3, S3, RS3 segment is the screen. The screen can go in and out, can fold itself away and then show. So when you're driving and you don't want a screen in the middle, you fold it away so it doesn't distract you while you're driving. Other nice thing about this is preventing theft. so criminals won't think it's an iPad and try and break into a car. Now, while it's off and you switch on the car and it's down, when you reverse and you got PDC option, it'll pop up. When you're done, it stows away itself. So that's a very nice function to have, and I do suggest you spec the PDC option. The other thing is the sport seats. This is the last thing, the fifth thing that I like about the car. I had a choice. The dealer gave me two choices. Either have the car without the sat nav but the sport seats, or have the car with sat nav but without sport seats. Purely for the fact that if I were to spec both, I would have to wait 8 months for my car. So I went to one without sat nav, and I wanted the sport seats. You can see the sport seats is really not overdone. It's not like one of those Sparco seats that are like massive. It's really elegant. It flows in with the car interior. The stitching is amazing, and it's one piece. Yeah, I chose this over satellite navigation. Hey, what do you think, Ignis?
Looks damn good.
It's not working. When you want it to work, it doesn't work. And when you don't want it to work, it works. The start stop is just so irritating. And that's another function that I don't like about this car.
When it works.
Well, when it doesn't work. I don't know. Whatever. I just don't like it. And the only way to get rid of it is to actually physically push this button in. You see?
So actually it's doing what you want it to do now.
Yes.
It's not going off.
It works when you are in a rush to cross a main road where there's thousands of cars and you need the power instantly. Then it works, and you have like 5-second delay. Oh my word. This is anyway. So that's the other thing that I don't like about the car.
Okay, when you're ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
As much as I like the sports seats, there is a downfall. You can put the camera here. The back of the seat is actually plastic. And climbing in and out of the seat, firstly, is like very difficult for the back passenger because the seat is so big. The second problem is, like I said, it's plastic, so you can see all the scratches and all the scratch marks at the back. It is. If anyone can suggest how to get this off, please put it down in the comments section, because this is irritating me. This is one big thing that irritates me. So the last thing that I don't like about this car is the fact that it doesn't have any water temperature or oil temperature gauge or digital gauge, whatever. I'm going to show you now quickly. I'm going to cycle through all the features here. Zoom in. Right, so there is stuff on the top, onboard computer. There is technically no water temperature. There is an oil temperature, as you can see, 81 degrees Celsius. That you can only initiate with VCDS, which I got it done by the dealers for an extra fee. So that's ridiculous.
So,
What was it doing?
okay, just say normally. So, out of 10, what would you rate the car as?
A 10.
Well, that's a bit biased.
It's my own car, because I bought it. I would say a 7, because purely for the fact that the RS3 Sedan looks much better than my car.
Is that why changing to BMW?
What do you mean? What do you mean? Guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. The support that I get will help me push myself to make more videos. The other thing is, please comment below if you got that remedy for the plastic at the back of my seat. That's really irritating, and I'm trying to find other solutions. See you guys next time. Thank you very much.